Hey there, this is Stephen Gardner, best-selling author of Taming Wall Street. And I just got off the phone with somebody that asked me an interesting question. It's something that I've thought about several times and hopefully will implement in my own life. But just to be clear, I haven't done this. But the question was, could I use the cash value in my insurance contract to do an Airbnb? And the answer is absolutely yes. Yes, you can. So my wife and I have done hard money loans a few times. We've also in the past done several rental properties. And so, but I haven't ventured into the Airbnb space, but it is something that I have been researching with a partner and family member of mine. But yeah, it's kind of the same as a rental property where you can borrow out the money for the down payment, and that becomes part of the mortgage. You could borrow a little bit extra if you needed to furnish the home, the kitchen supplies, all that. That you don't usually have with a rental because people bring their own stuff. But with an Airbnb, you've got to provide most of that: towels and bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff, living room stuff. So you would just need to take that into account. But then as you have that money come back in, you just send it back to your policy, right? As if it was part of the mortgage. And then anything above and beyond that, from your gross revenues, you minus that out, and now you have your net profit. And if you have the room and you don't need the money, then I suggest you just dump it back in, because you can borrow it right back out. That's the beauty of a properly designed cash value plan, is that liquidity option, right? So, but yeah, you could absolutely do that. And I could see how you could leverage that money to get a much higher return. Because remember, your money is still earning internally. So really your only cost is what you pay the insurance company. So if you take that small cost and then figure out your ROI based off of your profits and your cash flow, that's going to be a huge leverage to your advantage. So are you currently using, are you doing an Airbnb right now? If so, leave your comments. I'd love to learn more. Are you using your cash value insurance to do an Airbnb or a rental? I'd love to have your comments as well. That's something that I've done. I'd be happy to elaborate more if people have questions. Just leave them in the comments. But if not, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you are updated on future videos that I release. But once you have that cash value built up in your plan, you can use it for all sorts of things. And when it's done correctly, the net result is you end up with more money. So it's a pretty cool tool. And then if something happens to you, of course, in the event that you pass away, your family is taken care of, and Uncle Sam is not taken care of. You get to legally avoid those taxes. So anyway, thanks for the question that came in about, can I do Airbnb with my cash value life insurance? Hey, if I can help you, reach out to me at Stephen with a PH at yourbridgeplan.com. Otherwise, thanks for checking out today's video.